we will do warm up. Please start in the standing posture. And then let's find very small movements like that. Take both the hands on the sides, and as you take hands on the sides, bend from the knees a bit. Relax. Now let's see if you can find this movement. Kind of taking steps, coming back. If you can't jump, find any other movement to get your body moving. So we were kind of jumping in the front and coming back. Now we add the sides also. So like that. And the sides, come back. Front, back, side, come back. Front, back, side, come back. Front, back, side, come back. Front, side, come back. Like that. Alright, relax. The hands here. Let's touch the body a bit like that. Go back. So from the middle of the yoga mat, take it one step further and then try to sit on it like the other knee. You're trying to bend. Bring back, come back here. So we're doing the forward lunges. Forward alternate lunges. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let's try to do the warm up in this posture. So we are almost in the Vajrasana, but knees are not touching on the ground and our heels are lifted. So from here, try to find this movement. So push your toes, lift the body up a bit, bring it down. Let's do 10 of these. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then come back to the plank posture. And from the plank posture, take a step on the side, come back in the middle, side again. Let's do 20 of these. Keep your core tight. 10, and let's do 10 more. Keep hips parallel to the ground. Relax. From here, we are going to get to the down dog position. Like in sun salutation also, we get to this position. And from this position again, let's lift the toes. Come back. Pay attention to the position on the toes. Down. Let's do 15 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Stay in the down dog position and find very small movements for the shoulder. Like push yourself back and pay attention. Heel is touching the ground now, and then shoulders are stretched. You are looking back a bit and then coming back to the same posture. Find this movement. Very small movements. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And I will stay in the down dog position, but we are going to alternate between our cobra position, which is Bhujangasana, and the down dog position. So down dog, Bhujangasana, down dog, cobra. Down dog or mountain here and cobra. Let's do 10 of these. 1, when we do sun salutation, we do both these positions, but we are alternating between these two for the purpose of warm up. Relax. Now we'll do one warm up exercise in the child's pose. So legs are joined on the back side. There is a gap between the knees. Both the hands, palms facing down, and then you come to the child position, child's pose like that, and then bring your body up like that. Find this movement. Let's do 15 to 20 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, and let's do a few for our abs. So get to this posture, hands here, and then let's do the 10 crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep legs grounded. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll do the side crunches. Get to this posture. Keep the hand on the side, palm facing down. The left hand is down, palm facing. Right hand here, and then find this position. With the help of the bicep and the elbow, you lift your body and find this twist. Let's do 10 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do the 10 on the other side. Hand on the side, right hand on the side this time. Left hand is at the top, and then lift our body like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should be all for the warm up.